Welcome to Civil Engineering Knowledge channel. So today I am going to explain you how we can plan column orientation in case of building. Okay. So first one thing we should know, how do we orient column in case of building? That means how you are going to decide the orientation of the column in case of the building plan. I'll tell you two simple reasons for this. Okay. So column orientation is very much important because for two reasons in case of structure. One is safety, another one is economical. Okay. So whenever we orient the column, we should orient in building in such a way that it has to be, that means our building has to be safer and it has to be economical also. Okay, before starting this, let us give the names, that is 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Total 9 columns we are deciding here. So let us take section by section. Okay, to understand it very much clear, let us take section by section so that we are understanding that how to decide column according to the beam length. Okay, so let us take this first part for this one portion. Okay, I'll write it separately. This is first portion. Here it's 3 meter. Here also it is 3 meter. Okay, in such case, how you can place the column? So both when you deduct, that is 3 minus 3, you will get it as 0. In such case, you can orient your column on any side, either on this side or either on this side. Okay, so now we'll come for this point 3. So how it is? This is the third section. Here it is 3 meter. Here it is 2 meter. So how we will orient the column in this portion? So this I am orienting the column like this, because at any side you can orient your column. Okay. So this is how I am going to orient my first column. Okay. This is how I have oriented now. So next for the third portion, see this is 3 meter length, and this is 2.0 meter length, 2 meter length. So when you deduct 3 minus 2, you are going to get 1. But this deducting will work for these kind of junction. Okay. So in case of the corners, here I have deducted and show you because both the sides are same. So anywhere you can orient your column. Okay. So here, but if you consider length, so length on this side it is 3. Okay. If I consider this as length and this as breadth, it is 2. So in this, which is the greater value? Greater is 3. So we should orient the column in such a way that shorter side of the column should be perpendicular to longer length. This is your longer length. Shorter side of the column should be acting as perpendicular to the longer length. We should place the column like this. Why? The reason comes here why the shorter side has to be placed on longer length, because shorter side will resist more load when we compare it for longer side of the column. Longer side of the column is easy for buckling. It will easily buckle. Okay, but shorter side, it takes some time and it adjusts to the environment, so that shorter side should be placed perpendicular to the longer length. Okay, this portion you understood in the corners how we can decide the column. So when we come for interjection, this is for junctions. So junctions, how we will decide? So this is a junction. Okay. So here it is 2 meter, and here it is 3 meter, and here it is 3 meter. So in this criteria, that is portion 2, right? This one. So in this criteria, this we can adopt. That is, see, when we deduct 3 minus 2, we will get 1, and this entire length is 3. So in this both, which is greater? 3 is greater. So shorter side of the column should be placed on 3. So you understood, right? This is how we can decide on both corner side as well as these type of junctions. What about this part when it comes like plus? Similar way, see, here it is 2, here it is 3, here it is 3, here it is 3. 3, 3 we will get, 3 minus 3 you will get 0, and 3 minus 2 you will get 1, which is greater in this, 1 is greater. So in this way we should orient the column. So this is how you can decide the orientation of the column. So apart from this orientation, okay, we should also decide according to architectural view. In case of architectural plan, for the aesthetic purpose and for good lively spaces inside this, for example, if you consider this as an living room, okay, in case, see, this column is coming and interrupting this space, then we should just adjust this column in such a way that this space should not be getting interrupted. So both according to architectural view as well as structural view, as a structural engineer, he has to move upon. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like the video and share it to your friends, and thank you.